Hey everybody, J&A Review, and welcome to episode 2 of Can You Smell What J&A is Cooking? So let's get started. Alright, on this episode we are going to make chicken and vegetable stir fry. So I'm going to turn it over to Amanda and let her tell you all about what's going on here.
All right, some of the things you're going to need for this, of course, is chicken. Now we do the boneless, skinless chicken, and I've already cubed it up, so that's a big part. And it's been sitting in some soy sauce for a couple of hours, so we just let it thaw out. We like to use the vegetables that are already in a bag. There's about 3 different varieties of this. Obviously, we got this one at Walmart. If you like to chop your own vegetables, you can do that, but it's much easier to do it this way. Of course, you're going to need some soy sauce, some type of oil. We're using olive oil. Whatever,
Sauce.
yeah, whatever sauce you want. We're just going to go with teriyaki. And we like these noodles because basically they're already done. We're just heating them up on there, and there's actually 2 packs in this. So if you're cooking for more than 2 people, you know, just plan accordingly. And we've got our bowl ready, and the grill's almost ready. So
Let's get it fired up.
we'll move to the next step. All right, well, here we are with the first ingredient, which is going to be the chicken, because basically that's going to take the longest to cook. So like I said earlier, we went ahead and put a little soy sauce in there to let it start soaking up some of that flavor. But if you don't want to add that, you don't have to.
And of course, if you've noticed that we're actually on a smaller grill this time.
We are. We love our 22-inch, but it is just really too heavy and too big to carry for just 2 people. So we thought we would downsize.
Exactly.
All right, you want to tell them where we are?
We are camping this weekend at Grenada Lake. The campground is called North Abutment. Yes, that sounds weird, but it is a...
It's a Corps,
Corps
Army,
engineers.
Corps of Engineer.
Yeah. So,
And we are pretty close to the lake, so that's our view for the weekend, and it has been perfect weather. And there's Miss Rosie soaking it all in.
Sweet dog. All right, we're going to get this brown, and we'll be right back.
All right, well, our chicken is just about done, so we've pushed it all over to one side. We're going to add our vegetables.
Ooh, yeah.
Now, we let ours go ahead and thaw before we put it in here. It just makes them cook faster.
Oh, yeah.
So again, there's like 3 different versions. This is the broccoli stir fry. I think they have one that has snow peas. It's mostly snow peas, and then there's something else. So hey, whatever you prefer, which one you like, or like I said, you can chop it all up. Jeremy mentioned that we didn't tell you how much chicken this is. This is actually 3 small boneless breast, but we're just cooking for 2 people, so we didn't need just a whole lot.
Oh, big shout out to Fatty. I think he said on the last one he gained 15 pounds just watching the video. So there you go.
Yeah, so this time we're cooking vegetables. So see, it's healthy. All right, we're gonna let those do their thing. And
Hey, what do you think we put the dome on it? Let it sit.
Again, we just got the new smaller grill, so we haven't gotten the lid on it yet. So
Yep.
we're going to use the dome and let those things steam for a minute. Okay, our vegetables are getting soft, so he steps in front of the camera.
Well, I had to put the lid over. Sorry.
Yes, we're going to add just a few drops of olive oil in here, just enough so that it doesn't stick together.
Okay.
And then just a few dashes of soy sauce.
Oh, I love dashes. Dash, 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 dash.
Yeah. And then we're gonna mix those all up together again and put them right back under the dome and let them steam just a little bit longer.
Oh my goodness.
Once again, I wish we had smell-o-vision, because it
awesome.
smells so good. All right, we're gonna cover them up for a second. We'll be back in just a minute. Okay, folks, while he's over there working on the vegetables and the chicken, I'm going to tell you a quick story that happened to us. This obviously is our pass-through storage. About 3 years ago, we went to a campground, and I don't know, I guess one of these inside latches sort of maybe rusted just a little bit, and it was actually on the other side over here. So this door was stuck, could not get it open for love nor money, and all of our sewer hoses, water hoses, everything that we use to hook up is on this side, and we could not get this door open. So the only thing we knew to do was to just take everything out of the pass-through on the other side, and Jeremy had to crawl through with a screwdriver and undo this. Good thing is he's not a huge guy, or he never would have fit. But the really funny thing is, when he got this side open, he looked at me and said, how on earth am I going to get out of here? And me, being the smart aleck that I am, said, well, just come on through on this side and just drop out. He didn't think it was as funny as I did, so he ended up backing all the way back through to the other side of the pass-through. But that was one of those funny things. So now when we do reviews and we look at other campers with pass-throughs, that is one of our funniest things, is we say, well, do you think you can crawl through this one if you need to? Okay, I think we have probably cooked the vegetables to death, so they may be a little more done than some people like, but hey, we're from the South. We want our vegetables to be done.
So, what'd y'all talk about over there?
I will never tell.
What?
All right, now we're getting ready to put our noodles down. So we're gonna put just a little bit of olive oil in here just so they don't stick. Now these noodles that we use, they're actually already cooked. So really all we're doing is just heating them up. I had said something earlier about this pack actually has 2 packs of noodles in it. So we just open them up. Come on.
Well, it didn't really want to come out there. No.
Yeah.
Okay.
So we're just gonna break them up here a little bit. Said we are.
I say that. Okay.
All right. Well, once he gets our noodles all cut into little pieces where they can heat up.
Oh, this is really great.
Of course, you can also use rice for this if you would prefer to do like stir-fried rice. You can put rice in here instead of noodles. But we're gonna let these brown here just a little bit, and we'll show you what that looks like.
All right.
All right, we have got our noodles all broken apart. Now they do stick just a little bit. That's just the nature, I guess, of what they are. Either that or we don't know what we're doing.
Maybe.
All right, now that everything is pretty much warm all the way through, we're gonna mix it all together and put our sauce on it. And just let it all go together for just a minute. So we'll just show you this.
Oh my goodness.
Yeah, my assistant is doing a wonderful job.
Assistant, yes. yes I am. Thank you. That was a get me back comment, wasn't it?
Just a little bit. Okay, we're gonna put our sauce on the very last thing because it is sticky and it will stick if it gets too hot. And Rosie has found someone, so we're gonna cut away and take care of her real quick. Well, let's add our sauce to it. And again, we're using teriyaki, whatever your favorite flavor is. We like to put it on last because, it's a little sticky and it's going to make a mess. But that's a lot of teriyaki sauce.
You said put it on. That's all I said.
did. All right. Well, get your sauce on there. Mix it all up together. Let it heat for just a minute, and it's ready. We'll show you the finished product in just 1 second. Okay, while he is cleaning up the grill, this is what the final product looks like. Again, we love ours absolutely cooked to death. Cook your vegetables to whatever doneness that you prefer. But we're going to try this in a little bit, and we will tell you how it is.
All right, everybody, here we are. We're inside. Oh, goodness, just take a look. Oh, that looks so good. It smells great. All right, so we got a piece of chicken here. All right. Okay, that is terrific. That is absolutely terrific. All right, I'm going to get enough. Sorry, I had to get another one. All right, folks, try that recipe. I mean, it works for us on the Blackstone. It does make a little mess, so you really have to scrape it clean pretty good. But other than that, hey, we're going to sit here and enjoy this. Watch the start of the Stanley Cups finals here. Hey, who you rooting for? I got Florida. I don't know, but my Canada people, you know y'all in it too. All right, folks, if you just found our channel, go ahead and subscribe, follow along with us, give us a thumbs up, and if you like these kind of videos that we bring to you, hey, go ahead and give us that comment. Thanks, everybody.